I'm here in a 2017 Chevy Volt. I've done a couple of videos. I've noticed this in my car, then I looked it up online, and I've not found anything about it other than a couple people said maybe it's normal. It is annoying and it is loud. When you hit the gas just a little bit, when you punch the gas just a little bit, there's a big clunking sound in the back of the car. Doesn't sound normal, and it certainly doesn't sound right. So I don't know if you're gonna hear this, but I'm gonna try to do it. Trying to do it right now. I don't know if y'all hear that. You hear it? It's almost something going back and forth. I don't know, I did it like 4 times there. So if you're just doing your normal like smooth accelerating, it's nothing, but if you hit it, it almost like something pushes forward and back. It's a little off-putting. So there, I just did it again. I don't know if that picks up on this. I'm sure it's super quiet. Well, it's quiet here. Let's do it. There. Again, I don't know if that's picking up, but if there's any comments you want to write, if that's 100% normal or if it's something you're experiencing too. This is basically a new car. It only has 26,000 miles on it, so I feel like it shouldn't have any strange noises like that. So all right, let me know.